Okay, so this lab is a fairly basic setup, and it's going to show a good picture of how dissolved oxygen and carbon dioxide behave in seawater. So you're going to get 2 beakers out and 2 food colors. I want you to fill 1 beaker up with boiling water. Use your hot hands and be safe, as high as you can go, with a little bit of a margin so you don't spill. And I want you to do a blue side with blue food coloring with freezing cold water, ice cold water, and you can keep the ice in there. So take the temperature of the hot water and record it at the equatorial warm water side. And it's going to be an exaggeration, but that's fine. It will show the same thing that the equator will do, just in a more exaggerated, faster format. So the colder the water is and the hotter the water is, the faster the lab. It's okay. It's just a model. It will show accurately what's happening at the pole and the equator, but just will happen faster. And then take the temperature of your polar water and record it here. Then put 2 petri dishes over the top of these beakers and fill them as high as you can with club soda. I actually take that back, leave a little bit of a margin at the top. Or soda, it doesn't matter. Colored soda might actually work better in this case. I'll explain why in a second. And start your stopwatch. And keep your eye on it. It's going to take more than seconds. It might take minutes. And count or record how long in minutes it takes for all the bubbles to escape. So I do want you to be careful, though, because underneath this beaker, under this petri dish, you have condensation, and that looks like bubbles, but it's not. It's on the bottom side. So it's a good contrast over here. That's what the bubbles look like. All that like little bubble foam looking stuff is condensation on the bottom. So that's where it might be helpful to use a darker color soda, because you won't be able to see the condensation as much. So that would be something for you to consider. So record your time that it takes for all the bubbles to disappear for the polar water and for the equatorial water. And then we will do this class average section in class tomorrow. You do not need to fill that out because you will not have class averages till then.